Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching new video of hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online and given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 8.0, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Review category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, website, reviews, amenities, and pages, etc. Category 3. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen. Guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts initial credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. For booking or more details, check description below. If you are facing any kind of problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.